In this video, we are going to see about domestication of Vigna. India is an agricultural country in which food sources are mainly dependent on cereals and pulses. The genus Vigna, having most leguminous pulse crops such as cowpea, black gram and green gram, so only it gets more important among the other pulse crops. In early days, the genus Vigna is classified under the genus Phaseolus. Vigna species are mostly herbaceous in nature. The leaves are pinnate, divided into three leaflets. The inflorescence is a raceme of yellow, blue or purple pea flowers. Domestication is a selection process carried out by man to adapt plant and animals to their own needs, whether as farmers or consumers. Successive selection of desirable plants changed the genetic composition of early crops. Archaeologists suggest that plant domestication began because of the increasing size of populations and changes in the exploitation of local resources. Coming to the taxonomy, the kingdom is Angiosperms, the order is Fabaceae, and the family is known as Fabaceae, and the subfamily is called Fabidae, and the genus is Vigna. Vigna is a large genus which consists of around 100 species across the world. Among those 100 species, only 9 species are domesticated. Vigna is divided into 6 subgenera that are closely connected between themselves in sequence showing evolutionary trends that are Ceratotrophus, Sigmoidotrophus, Plectotrophus, Lasioprone, and Hydoneae. Among these, Hydoneae of Africa may be the most primitive and well diverged group within this genus Vigna. Sigmoidotrophus of the New World is more closely related to Phaseolus. In Asia, the subgenus Ceratotrophus represents a homogeneous and distinct group. These are all the domesticated species of Vigna. Among these, only 5 species are majorly cultivated. Moth bean, also known as Vigna aconifoliae, in Tamil it is Andapuchi beans. Adzuki bean, also known as Vigna angularis. Black gram, which is known as Vigna mungo, in Tamil it is called as Ulundu. Mung bean, which is known as Vigna radiata, in Tamil it is Pasipairu. Creole bean, Vigna reflexa. Bambara groundnut, Vigna subterranea. Rice bean, which is known as Vigna umbellata. Cowpea, which is called as Vigna unguiculata. In Tamil it is known as Tattaipairu. And also tuber cowpea, which is known as Vigna vexillata. The genus Vigna of the Leguminaceae plant family consists of around 100 species distributed in the tropical and subtropical areas of the world. Vigna species are mostly diploid crops except Vigna reflexopilosa and have a relatively small genome size, that is 550 megabase pair. It is a self-pollinated crop and many Vigna species are fast growing and high seed producers. It is rich in proteins and providing moderate amounts of iron, thiamine, and riboflavin. Beans are used worldwide for cooking in either fresh or dried form, and 2n is 22 for. The legume has been under cultivation in India since ancient times. According to Vavilo, the pulses originated in India and Central Asia, which is recognized as the secondary center for its spread. It is suggested that the Phaseolus mungo probably originated from the wild species Phaseolus sublobatus, commonly grown in India. It has been introduced in many tropical and subtropical regions by Indian immigrants. The genus Vigna is initially originated in Asia and Africa, and later it is highly spreaded into North America, South America, and Europe. Among the cultivars, Vigna unguiculata originated from Africa, and Vigna angularis is from Japan and China, and other species are mostly from India. There are three important steps in the domestication process. Man not only planted seeds but also moved seeds from their native habitat and planted them in areas to which they were perhaps not as well as adapted. Then removed certain natural selection pressures by growing the plants in a cultivated field, and also applied artificial selection pressures by choosing characteristics that would not necessarily have been beneficial for the plants under natural conditions. Coming to phylogeny analysis, for clarifying the phylogenetic diversity of 15 species of the subgenus Ceratotrophus, including 7 wild and 3 cultivated Vigna species, which are collected from Myanmar, sequence variations in the 3 TR and TF non-coding regions of the chloroplast genome were analyzed. The Myanmar materials were clustered into two well differentiated groups, that is adzuki bean group and the mung bean group. 6 Myanmar species were clustered into adzuki bean group and 4 species into the mung bean group. The adzuki bean group consisted of 3 subclades and the mung bean groups consisted of 5 subclades. A high level of substitution, indel, and microsatellite variations in the TR and TF sequences indicated that mung bean and black gram are phylogenetically well differentiated in the mung bean group. Myanmar is considered to be an area where overlapping two major groups of the subgenus Ceratotrophus. These are all the photographs depicting vegetative morphology of some wild Vigna species which are distributed across India. For example, Vigna radiata variety sublobata in A, and Vigna radiata variety setulosa in B, and Vigna hainiana, and Vigna vexillata, and Vigna umbellata. And here I mentioned some of the wild species and the genes responsible for the agronomic importance. For example, resistance to bruchis is present in Vigna reflexophilosa, Vigna radiata variety sublobata, and Vigna nepalensis. Resistance to powdery mildew disease due to the hypersensitivity reaction is present in Vigna stipulaceae and Vigna reflexophilosa, and low trypsin inhibitor activity is present in Vigna tenuculi. High methionine content, high tolerance to saline and alkaline, yellow mosaic virus resistance are present in Vigna radiata, variety sublobata. Drought tolerance and highest heat tolerance is present in Vigna aconitifoliae. These tables represent some of the species of Vigna and their subgenus, sections, and their natural distribution and the main uses of the species. For example, Vigna aconitifoliae, which is known as moth bean, which is coming under Ceratotrophus, and the section is aconitifoliae, which is naturally distributed among South Asia. And the main uses of aconitifoliae are: it is used as a pulse crop, green pods as vegetable. It is also used as forage crops and green manure.